I'm Jeremiah, and this is my life. Time for a quick hike, say goodbye to the van. Just a quick little hike to a peak, see what we can see, go make some lunch, keep editing. I've got a lot of editing to catch up, and then on to the next Walmart parking lot probably. I was reading about this trail. It's near where I slept last night, and apparently there are these things called Mormon grasshoppers or something like that. And everybody who left reviews in the summertime, June, July, August, they were saying, do not come. We couldn't even get out of the car because it was so bad with those grasshoppers. That's why you gotta come in the winter when everything is empty because nobody's out here. Because who hikes in the winter? Only crazy people and people who live in vans. Some would say those are the same thing. We're on kind of a weird schedule, but time to leave the lovely canyon of scrubs and the little creek and the patches of snow behind. It's only about 2.5 hours or so to where I'm going because Salt Lake City got my appetite up, and I'm gonna try to ski again tomorrow in Tahoe, which would be pretty crazy to do Salt Lake City and then Tahoe. So we're gonna do 2.5 hours to a Walmart parking lot because I'm afraid of getting another ticket. Edit and work until time to go to sleep, and then we'll see what tomorrow holds for us. But let's get out of here. All right, we spent most of the morning and afternoon working in the Walmart parking lot. Not really glamorous, not fun, not really comfortable, but do what we gotta do. Now we're gonna try to sneak in an hour or two at Squaw Alpine Meadows in Tahoe. So we're headed there now. I forgot to bring my GoPro out on slopes with me, and my regular camera died right before I arrived, but just finished a couple hours at Squaw where I was practicing skiing backwards. So I am a little bit sore, but we're going to clean up, pack away everything, and then get back to work, do a couple more hours of work, and then find a place to sleep. Have you noticed a pattern? It's wake up, work, find a place to sleep. That's how it goes. But you slip in these awesome times like at Squaw, and then it's all worth it. This thing is so awesome. It's cleaned sand, snow, dirt, everything off of me. Home Depot at its finest. It's even got the orange colors. Home Depot is such a huge part of this van. Thanks, Home Depot. And Lowe's, kinda. Alright, let's get out of here. You know, it was my silly dream as a kid to be a ski bum once I started learning how to ski. And now I'm sitting here in the parking lot with my shirt off and taking my pants off, watching people get into their cars. I remember those days. And here I am getting into my home. So, I don't know, it's pretty inexplicable, but we're still early on. But the hard days of van life make it so worth all the wonderful days of van life. And it comes from hard decisions too. You can't just make it all happen without sacrifices, without putting yourself in places that you're uncomfortable. Like last minute change of plans, which were really uncomfortable to me before van life. They still are. And that's one of the things I try to exercise and practice, is this ability to be able to adapt to changing circumstances and changing plans and still be happy. So let's go find a place to work and make some dinner and sleep.